a series of what lessons on sets, that is solve final exam questions and what examples. Elective mathematics on elective mathematics, further mathematics, sets of sets in elective mathematics or further hot mathematics. Solve final exam questions. So WASSCE exam questions, final exam questions. So guys, this is an objective question. Let us what? Let us we have to what? We have to simplify. We have to simplify this. Okay, this is what we have looked at this. We have met this before. This is a fractional set that has what two terms. The first term is square root of 3 all over square root of 3 minus 1. The second term is what? Square root of 3 all over square root of 3 plus 1. Have you seen? So what do we see? Square root, the denominator of the first term is square root of 3 minus 1. The denominator of the second term is what? Square root of 3 plus 1, which they are what? They are conjugate. So because they are conjugate, we solve this set by what? Finding the LCM. Because if they were not conjugate, you simplify this term separately and simplify this term separately. Let me add the results. Have you seen? But since the denominators are conjugate, we solve by what? Finding the LCM. So you say this is equal to what? This is equal to what is the question is what? Square root of 3 over what? Square root of 3 minus 1. Have you seen? Then plus square root of 3 over square root of what? 3 plus 1. Have you seen? So since the denominators are conjugate, we simplify by what? Finding the LCM. So what will be the LCM? The LCM is just the product of the conjugate. So square root of 3 minus 1. And times what? Square root of what? 3 plus what? 1. So yeah, this is equal to this. So this will go, this goes here. This the whole of it divided by this. This will cancel, then we get square root of what? 3 plus 1. So then you go and multiply this. So we have square root of 3. Multiplying square root of what? 3 plus 1. Okay? Then bring the positive sign plus. Then this square root of 3 plus 1 will go into this square root of 3 minus 1. So yes, to cancel this. What I mean is what? Square root of what it means that minus 1. All over square root of what? 3 plus 1. All over square root of what? 3 plus 1 here. So this will cancel, then we get what? Square root of 3 plus 1. So we have then this times square root of 3. So we have square root of 3 to bracket square root of what? 3 minus 1. Okay? Square root of 3 minus 1 as we have it here. Okay? Yes. So this is equal to what? Then we have to expand. But the denominator, I'll write the answer straight. This is square root of 3 all squared minus 1 squared. So we get 3 minus 1, which is what? 2. Yes. So this square root of 3 times square root of 3, you get square root of what? You get square root of 9 here. Then square root of 3 times 1 plus square root of 3, okay? And we come to this side, then plus what? Square root of 3 times square root of 3, you get square root of 9. And then positive square root of 3 times negative 1, negative square root of 3. All over. This is what? Square root of the, because of they are conjugate, the product of conjugate give you a difference of 2 squares. So you have square root of 3. If you expand, this is what you get: square root of 3 minus 1 all squared. Okay? So this is equal to square root of 9 is what? 3. Then plus square root of 3. Okay? Then plus square root of 9, which is 3. Then minus square root of what? 3. All of us. What is square root of 3? All squared. You get 3. And then 1 all squared is what? 1. So minus what? 1. Have you seen? So you rearrange this and this. You put them together. Put this one together. So you get 3 plus what? 3 plus 3. Then plus square root of 3. This. Then minus what? Square root of 3. All over 2. 3 minus 1, 2. So what is this? This and this, they will go to 0. Have you seen? So we have 3 plus 3 is what? 3 plus 3 is 6 plus what? 0. All over 2, which is equal to 6 over 2, which is equal to what? 3. As your answer, guys. So where is the answer? So the answer is this, guys. I hope you are enjoying. This is very understandable and very simple. Thank you for watching, and guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon, guys, if you are really benefiting. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, guys. If you have any channel, let me know in the comment section. You can also contact me on WhatsApp, yes, as I provided my details. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, guys. Hello students, you are welcome back. This is the continuation of what our series of lessons on sets, specifically solve final exam questions and examples on hot sets in further mathematics or elective mathematics. So final exam questions, what's the final exam question? Yes. So let's is an objective question. You have to simplify. Yes, you have to simplify. You know that this square root of 128 is not simplified. Square root of 32 is not simplified, but this is what simplified. So how do you simplify? Look for the highest perfect square, which is a factor of this. Will give 64. 64 times 2 will give you that. And then this one is 16 times 2 also give you a 32. So this is equal to what? You have 64 times what? Times 2 and square root, okay? Then all over what? All over 16 times what? Times 2 and square root sign minus what? 2 root what? 2 root 2, okay? So this is equal to You can separate them. You get square root of 64 times square root of 2. This one, though, I could have written 8 root 2 straight as the answer. Next time. So just for the sake of understanding, that's the name of the channel implies. So we have what? This one we separate. You have square root of what? 16 times square root of what? Square root of 2. Minus what? 2 root what? 2 root 2, okay? So this is equal to what we have. This is square root of 64 is 8 times root 2. We have this, then all about square root of 16 is 4 times square root of 2. This is yes, and then minus what? 2 root what? 2 root 2. This is what we have. Okay, so what is this? 8 times square root of 2 is the same as 8 root of 8 root 2. All over 4 times square root of 2 is 4 root what? 4 root 2 minus what? 2 root what? Root 2. What is 4 root 2 minus 2 root 2? This one is what? The same as similar to 4s minus 2s. So we get what? 2s. So this we get 2s, which is the same as, so this is the same as 2 root what? 2. This is what you get. Okay, guys, so this is equal to 8 root what? Root 2 all over 2 root what? 2 root 2. Okay, and just this will cancel, we get 4. So if you like, this is what it means. 8 root 2 means 8 times square root of 2, and then all over 2 root 2 means 2 times square root of what? 2. So this will cancel this, then 2 will also go here, 4. So the correct answer is what? 4. So what is the answer? The answer is what? D, 4. Guys, I hope you are enjoying. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are benefiting. Don't have to memorize, get understanding the name of the channel implies. Thank you for saying on the channel. Every topic that to be treated. That's why we are solving more questions. You don't need to have to, that is the uniqueness of the channel. You don't need to visit any other channel and look for hot, to look at the topic of on set. That's, this channel is working for you to score 100% in the exam. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Hello students, welcome back. This is the continuation of our series of lessons on sets, that is solve final exam questions and examples in further mathematics or elective mathematics. WASSCE final exam questions. Okay, so this is a theory question. So we are asked what? Simplify the expression. That is the question. Simplify this expression. Okay. Yes. So how do you simplify it? To me, that you know that this one is what this each apart from this rational number, all the sets, each one of them has perfect square, which is a factor. So you have to simplify them. Completely. Okay. So this is equal to what? Is equal to, you have 8. 8 is what? 4 times what? 4 times 2. That is the perfect square. Highest perfect square. That is the factor of 8 is 4 times 2. Then plus what? 5 root what? Root 32. 32 is 16 times what? Times 2. Okay. And then minus what? Minus 4 root what? 4 root 50. 50 is what? 25 times what? 2. This is what you have. Okay. And then all over what? All over 1 plus 18. 18 is what? 9 times 2. 2, 9, 18. Square root is what you have. Okay. Yes. 9 times 2. Put it under square root sign. Okay. Yes. So guys, it's equal to what? Then 4, we separate them. So if we separate this, what will you get? You get this one. So now I'm going to, some of them I will just write the answers quickly. Let me explain it. So this one, if you separate, you get 4 square root of 4 times square root of 2, which is square root of 4 will be 2. So we get 2 root 2. So here it will be 2 times root 2, which is 2 root 2. Okay. And in the same way, this is what? We had plus, this is 5. Then times, this is square root of 16 times square root of 2. Square root of 16 is 4. Then times square root of what? 2. Okay. Then minus 4. Then times square root of 25 times 2. You break them, then you get square root of 25, which is what? 5 times square root of 2. Yes, as an elective math student, you have to write the answer quickly for you. And we have the denominator, have 1 plus what? Square root of, this is square root of 9, which is what? 3 times square root of what? 2. Okay, so this is what you get. Okay, so this is equal to 2 root 2. We have 2 root 2 plus 4 times 5 is what? 20 root what? 20 root 2. And then minus what? 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is also 20 minus 20 root what? 2. Interesting. Have you seen? All over 1 plus 3 root what? 3 root 2. So what is 20 root 2 minus 20 root 2? So this and they will go to 0. These two terms, they will go to 0. Okay? They are going to 0. Okay, so we get what? This is equal to what? We get 2 root 2 plus what? Plus 0. All of 1 plus 3 root what? 2. Okay? Yes. So which is 2 root 2. All of 1 plus 3 root 2. We haven't finished. We have to continue to, this is a fractional set. We have to continue to simplify. Not that was rationalized. It's a fractional set, okay? So the conjugate, what is the conjugate? The conjugate is what? The conjugate is conjugate of the denominator, which is 1 plus 3 root 2, so 1 minus 3 root 2. So to me that, let's come here to continue. This is what we have. This is what we have. What to me that, what we have, which is what? 2 root what? 2 root 2 all over 1 plus 3 root 2 is equal to what? 2 root 2. This is the original thing. 1 plus 3 root what? 3 root 2 is what we have. Yes. Then this is what we have multiplied by what? By the conjugate. Okay? By the conjugate, which times what? Conjugate is what? 1. Conjugate of the denominator is 1 minus 3 root 2. 1 minus 3 root what? 2. All over 1 minus what? 3 root what? Root 2. Yes. Multiply this. Okay. So these two. So it's equal to what? What do you get? You get 2 root 2. It's multiplying what? 1 minus 3 what? 3 root 2. Okay. And then you have the denominator, which is what? The product of what? Conjugate. 1 plus 3 root 2. And to bracket 1 minus 3 root 2. Yes, so I'll write the answer straight. I mean, with the denominator, I'll write the answer straight. So this you expand 2 root 2 times 1. You get 2 root what? 2 root 2. And then 2 root 2 times negative 3 root 2. So the answer will be negative. Then we have 2 root 2 times 3 root what? 2 is what we are getting. All over the denominator is what? Perfect square. Difference of 2 squares. Difference of 2 squares. So you get, if you simplify, you get 1 squared minus 3 root 2. All squared. This is what you get. Okay, for the denominator. Okay, so this is equal to what? It's equal to 2 root 2. Then when you come here, minus the minus sign is here. Then here, 2 root 2 times 3 root 2. Have you seen? 2 root 2 times 3 root 2. So we multiply the rational numbers together. This is 2 times root 2. This is, yes. So you get 2 times 3. You get 6 times what? Then you get root 2 times root 2. So you 6 times root what? Root 4. So here you get 1 squared is 1 minus. So this is 3 root 2 all squared. You get 3 squared. This one will be 3 squared. 3 squared here. 3 squared, and then square root of 2 all squared, you get 2. So you get 3 squared is what? 9. 9 times 2. This is what you get. Okay. So this is equal to what? 2 root what? 2 root 2 minus 6. Square root of 4 is 2. 6 times 2. All over. This is 1 minus 2, 9, 18. 1 minus what? 18. Okay. This is what you get. 1 minus 18, which is equal to 2 root what? 2 root 2 minus what? Minus, what do you call it? Minus 2, 6 minus 12. All over what? Negative what? Negative 17. Okay. Yes. So we can break them down, which is equal to 2 root 2 all over negative 17. Okay. Negative 17. And then we have minus 12 over what? Negative what? 17. Can rewrite it like this. Okay. Fine. Which is equal to what? You get 2 root 2 over negative 17 plus what? 12 over what? 17. Okay. So you can turn it and rewrite it as what? 12 over what? Over 17 minus what? Minus 2 root 2. 2 root what? 2 root 2 all over 17. Okay. Yes. I'll write it as this. This is the final answer. If you like here, you can send this one to the top. If you send this one will be negative. And then so at the end of this one, if you can come back to this, you can the same as what? 12 minus 2 root 2 all over 17. This is what it means. Over here, you can rewrite this and get this. Because here, you can send this one. This is the same as what? You can send the negative up. So we get negative into bracket. 2 root 2 minus 12. Then all over this is 17 positive. So this one will go inside to turn it to make it 12, positive 12. Negative 2 root 2 to make it negative 2 root 12 root 2 and plus 12 all over 17. So you can turn it and come and write it as this. Okay. Let's come and write it as this one. This is, yeah. So this is positive. This is not it's not negative. This is positive. It's positive. There's no negative sign here. Yes, I will just show you, and because of that, this thing, the pen brought this dots here. So this is it. You can really write it as this. So guys, yes, if you understand, you can just handle it anyhow you want. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are really enjoying. In fact, this is a theory question, so you see it's somehow involving that. It's really a sub question. So we have to be very smart and very fast. Thank you for watching. and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.